Iraq. Dawn of civilization. To understand the culture of Iraq, the true essence of the people and the place, we should look beyond the current unrest, wipe away the past few centuries of Ottoman rule, ineffective monarchy and military rule, and forget the nation that is but a recent invention. Instead, we should cast our minds back 5,000 years to the geography and culture called Mesopotamia that corresponds to the modern state. This is where we find the conditions upon which a glorious past evolved and an uncertain future now rests. Mountains, plains and rivers. The Tigris and Euphrates, their tributaries in Mesopotamia have historically embraced all that lay between the foothills of the Iranian mountains to the northeast, and the great desert of the Arabian Plateau to the southwest. Less obvious, but no less important culturally, is the north-south dividing line that runs through the modern city of Hit on the Euphrates and Samarra on the Tigris. This line marks the end of the alluvial plain. North of this line, rain-fed irrigation made possible the productive countryside of the Tigris and its tributaries, which constituted the lands of ancient Assyria. To the south, this same river depositing alluvial sediments for thousands of years built up an immense flat plain that, when irrigated in ancient times, became highly fertile. This was Babylonia, which further divided into the Sumerian south and the Akkadian north along linguistic and cultural grounds. South of the alluvial plain was the area of marshes and lagoons where the people we call the Marsh Arabs today lived for 100 generations. Following a traditional lifestyle similar to the ancient Sumerians until the marshes were drained under Saddam Hussein. Cities in ancient Sumer were concentrated in areas favorable for irrigation, separated by vast open areas that were more suitable for nomadic herding known as the Eden, perhaps the source of the word Eden that appears in the Bible.